Welcome to English Learners, where language knows no boundaries, and every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply passionate about mastering English, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to English Learners today, and let's embark on a journey of language discovery together. Welcome aboard.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bollywood Unplugged. I'm your host, Karan Johar, and today we have a very special guest. She's one of the most talented and beautiful actresses in Bollywood, Katrina Kaif. Welcome to the show, Katrina.
Thank you, Karan. It's great to be here.
So, Katrina, let's dive right in. You've had such an incredible journey in Bollywood. Can you tell us a bit about how it all started for you?
Sure, Karan. It's been quite a journey. I started my career with modeling, and then I got an opportunity to act in Bollywood. My first film was Boom, which didn't do well, but it opened doors for me. After that, I worked hard, learned Hindi, and gradually started getting more roles.
You've definitely come a long way since Boom. You've been a part of so many successful films. Is there a particular role that's very close to your heart?
Yes, I think my role in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is very special to me. It was a film that resonated with a lot of people, and my character, Layla, was someone I really connected with. It was about living life to the fullest and embracing every moment.
That's one of my favorites too. Speaking of embracing moments, you've always been known for your dedication and hard work. How do you stay motivated and keep pushing yourself?
I think it's important to love what you do. I genuinely enjoy acting and being on set. It's also about setting goals for yourself and constantly trying to improve. The support from fans also keeps me going. Their love and appreciation mean a lot.
Our fans truly adore you, Katrina. How do you connect with them, especially in today's digital age?
Social media has made it easier to connect with fans. I try to interact with them through Instagram and Twitter, sharing updates and responding to their messages. I also enjoy meeting them at events and fan meets. Their energy is infectious.
That's wonderful. Now, let's talk about your future projects. What can your fans look forward to?
I'm working on a few exciting projects, but I can't reveal too much just yet. There's a mix of genres, and I'm experimenting with some new roles that are quite different from what I've done before. I hope the audience will enjoy them.
We're all eagerly waiting. Before we wrap up, what advice would you like to give to aspiring actors and your fans who look up to you?
I would say, follow your passion and work hard. There will be challenges, but don't let them discourage you. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and keep learning. And most importantly, be kind and humble, no matter what.
Beautifully said, Katrina. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Karan. It was great being here.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to Bollywood Unplugged. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes with your favorite stars. Until next time, this is Karan Johar signing off.
Thank you so much for watching this video, English learners. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this language learning journey with you all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for fluency. Until next time, happy learning.